to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. So guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to cut and sew this beautiful jacket, beaded jacket. Okay, the jacket is beaded at the back area. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to cut it. So we'll be starting by folding the material into 4 places. I'm using just 2 yards of Ankara material for this. Okay, so this is just folded by 4, 2 for the front and 2 for the back, you understand? So I am going to fold it, then I cut out the salvage end of the material, that is the starting line, and also the shoulder point. And after cutting out the shoulder point, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go in by 3 inches here. This is going to serve as our neckline, and here is our shoulder line. So I'm going to come down here because I'm going to be using the whole of this place. I'm going to come down here by 1 inch, and I'll connect it from my shoulder point. I'll connect it down to here. Then from here I'm going to measure my sleeve opening. So I want my sleeve to be very wide, so I am measuring 14 inches as my sleeve. So here is my sleeve opening, 14 inches. So I am going to go in by 3 inches again at 14 inches. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to check my bust. My bust divided by 4 is 9 and 2/8. Okay, I have extra 4 inches allowance for it. Okay, I can make it even way bigger than that. Okay, you can make it 5 to 6 inches depending on how big and how fluffy you want the jacket to be. Okay, so from here I'm going to check out the full length of the jacket. So I'm going to take this down to the full length. Okay, let me measure the hip. Okay, let's check out the hip circumference. My hip is 42. So my hip is 42 divided by 4 is 10 and a half. Okay, 10 and a half plus, okay, so we still have enough space. Okay, so I've added, this is my hip circumference plus 3 to 4 inches seam allowance. Okay, so I will be taking on from here down to here like this. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. After measuring your hip, you find out you have extra allowance, so you add, after measuring your hip, you add extra allowance for seam allowance, then you curve it from here, just like you already know how to cut a kimono. So this shouldn't be a new thing to you. What we should be more focused about is the jacket, the beaded jacket, how to bead your jacket. Okay, and not the jacket, because I have cut like so many boo-boos here. So from here I'm going to take this 3 inches neckline down to the down area. Okay, I'm going to take this 3 inches to the down this way, and I'll connect it. Guys, you see how I connected it? So I'm going to cut out this here, and I'll cut out this place, and I'll cut out this place, our shoulder line. Okay, we take the 2 of these, stitch 2 of this. Okay, I'll stitch it this way, and I'll take 2 of these and I'll stitch it this way. Then we are going to use this because we don't have much material, so we are going to use this. I'm going to use this, I'm going to sew it on this way, and I'll iron it. I'm going to join it together first of all. So guys, I am back. So this is the binding that I'm going to use. I'm going to bring the shoulders together. So we're going to fold the binding this way. It's going to be from here like this. This is one side of the shirt, okay, jacket. I'm going to fold it from the down part this way. I'm going to pin it like this, and I'll fold it again this way. I'm going to pin it, and here pin it down here. Pin it down. Okay, so after pinning it down, I am going to bring the other side of this jacket, the wrong side or the right side of this jacket, this way. Okay, I'm going to follow this down like this all the way here, and I'm going to give a gap of 6 inches from the shoulder. Once you've reached the shoulder line, you give a gap of 6 inches for the neckline. Remember, we went in by 3 inches, so 3 plus 3 is 6 on both sides. So I went out by 6 inches, and on the dot of that 6 inches, that is the mark I've given a mark here, I'll connect it to this side of the shoulder line again, this way, and I'll pin it down. And I'll go down again. Stand. Then I'll fold in this place. I'll open up these stitches and I'll fold this place inside and I'll stitch it. Then this is the back, so I'm going to hem the back this way. I will take it down. I will hem this place and take it to the down again. Then I will hem this down part of this jacket. I will hem this side and hem this side. Then I will be right back. Okay, so guys, when you get to here, this point, let me say 2 to 3 inches before the shoulder joining. Okay, 2 to 3 inches, you fold it in this way. You lose the stitches you had already at the binding, at the placket, lose it up, then you fold it in and fold this one again in. Start folding it again, just fold it in. You do it all the way from here, fold it in, and this, attach it to this. When it gets here, you stop sewing it directly on the main jacket. Okay, just see what I'm about to do right now. Okay, let's do this. You see, then you remove it this way, you see, and start sewing from here. You see, start sewing from here again. So I'm going to place the shoulder here, and I will remove the back. Then I will jump and start from here. You see? You see what this place looks like? You see what this place looks like. This is the back. Okay, from here we'll just be joining the bead, but before then, let us close up this place. Okay, the back where we're going to attach the bead, to be attaching the bead. So we're going to close it. So we're going to fold it in by 2, and I will sew from here. Oh, wonderful. So guys, have just finished joining everything together on this side. So this is the 3 inches around the neck. You understand? This is the 3 inches allowance that I give. So, and this is the finished look. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is to open it up this way. And as you can see, the back is open. So as you can see, this is the sleeve. This is another side after joining them together. So this is one side. And this is another side. Remember the opening, this opening now at the back is because of the 3 inches, these 3 inches that we removed here, but we have joined the 2 shoulders together with the placket. So next thing I'm going to do right now, this is how to play. If you want it to be on a V shape, like the one I'm going to show you right now on the screen, you have to fold it on a V like this. You have to place it on a V shape like this and start tagging them with the beads. Okay, keep it on a V shape. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Okay, as you can see, it is on a V shape. Now I'm going to start adding my beads like this. So this is the bead that we're going to be making use of. Remember, our fold is on a V shape. Okay, so this is the bead that we're going to be making use of. So we're going to start. On a record, okay. So guys, we're going to do the second one now. So I'm going to come down by 1 inch, then I'll tighten it, come down again, tighten it again, and tighten it the third time. Then I'll start adding the beads. So I'm going to do this thing. I'm going to do it in a V shape. I'm going to continue doing it. It's going to stop at my hip. That is my bottom. It's going to stop there. Then I will stop. Okay, so let's do it. So guys, this is what it looks like after joining the beads. This is what it looks like, and it stopped at the hip point, which is 24 inches. It stopped at 24 inches, the hip point. Okay, so this is how I opened the side of the jacket. Okay, I opened the side by 9 inches. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like at the end of the day. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.